In this step, we are building our product. On the right here you can see we need to select feed types. Right now men, women, youth, these three options are available. If you design your t-shirt only for men, then uncheck the women option. But if you design the t-shirt only for women, then tick the women option only. If you hover over the mouse on any tab, you can see the variation of the t-shirt for men, women and youth. If you design your t-shirt only for kids, then select youth. For this particular design, I just simply select these three options: man, woman and youth. Next one, we need to select color. Black type of t-shirts are selling well on Amazon. For this particular design, I just simply select black, asphalt gray, Cali green, navy blue, olive green and royal. So for this design, I just simply select these colors. If you design your t-shirt only for women and youth, then lighter color works well on Amazon. Here you can see other additional colors. These colors are not available in Japan-based Amazon site. Next one is pricing. In this list price box, we will need to enter our t-shirt price. By default, it is set at 19.99 USD. For every product sold, our estimated royalty will be 4.89 USD. If we set the t-shirt price 19.99 USD. Okay, hope this makes sense. I think the lowest you can set is 13.40 USD. If you set this price, then for every sale, you will earn only 0.01 USD. Actually, there is no point to sell t-shirt only in $13.40 because there is no profit whatsoever. This list price basically depends on how much work it is taken and put into it. That will have a factor in how much you want to sell at your design. For this simple text-based design, I would ever price more than $17.99. And for this, after Amazon costing and listing fee, our estimated royalty will be $3.41. A lot of people like to sell t-shirt at $19.99. And I would love to do the same. But for this simple text-based design, which is literally takes 5 minutes to create for this type of t-shirt, you may set price at $15.99 or $16 or highest for $17.99. For this price set, for parcel, our royalty will be $3.41, which is pretty good. If you are planning to sell the t-shirt on different country-based Amazon site, then just simply enable these options and set the price for different country-based Amazon site. You can set different price for different Amazon store. Okay. For the long sleeve t-shirt, if I click on edit details, then here you can see for long sleeve t-shirt, if we set the price $22.99, then for every sale, our estimated royalty will be $3.81. For this case, I just simply set the price for .com site $24.99. Now our estimated royalty will be $5.24 for every sale. You can also set the price for .co.uk Amazon site. You can also choose different color for long sleeve t-shirt as well. For long sleeve t-shirt, only these 4 colors are currently available. Alright, now our next step is product details. We need to fill up this one. and we will cover this in our next lecture.